Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I share with you on how to make very tasty, soft and crunchy milk chin chin. Continue watching as I walk you through. So the first ingredient we have here is all-purpose flour, and you are going to sift the flour to trap unwanted particles. So this stage is very important. Make sure you sift your all-purpose flour, then you add and sift your baking powder. Then here is powdered milk, grated nutmeg, sugar, salt. Then you combine very well. Add margarine and rub the margarine in the flour. So this is what we want. It's okay like this. The next thing you're going to do is to be adding water little at a time. Okay, you mix, you add the water, you mix. Don't be tempted to add the water at the same time. Okay, this is where the trick is. So be patient, add water little at a time until you get a dough. You're looking for that milky, tasty, crunchy and soft chin chin. This recipe is what you need. So be patient, make sure you watch this video to the end because you are going to love this one. So once a dough is formed, you transfer to a flat surface and knead. Okay, this is another trick to make this yummy chin chin. Okay, so make sure you knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. This process is also very important to have that perfect chin chin you love. You know, chin chin is a snack loved by both children and adults. You have children, just make this chin chin and store. So the next process is to divide the chin chin dough to enable us flatten the dough. Then use a rolling pin, flatten the dough. Then you cut to your desired shapes and sizes. You guys noticed I didn't add egg to this chin-chin, but trust me, it was so soft, crunchy and tasty. So you don't have eggs, okay, you can also make that, tasty, crunchy and soft chin-chin. For the recipe measurements and the ingredients, check the description box. As you guys can see, our chin-chin is well cut. Our chin-chin dough is well cut. Okay, so you can cut to your desired shape and sizes. Transfer to a bowl. As you guys can see, here is our prepared chin-chin dough. The next step is to heat up your oil on medium heat. Then you fry. So the heat should be low medium, okay, not high medium, okay. Then you stir at intervals. Don't overcrowd the oil with the chin-chin dough. So as you guys can see, our chin-chin is looking yummy. So once it's done, transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Leave to cool completely and store. Guys, this is a chin-chin recipe you are going to love, okay? You don't have eggs, try out this chin-chin recipe and you love to make more of it. Like your family will love it, your children will love it. You can serve with any drink of choice. Guys, you need to try out this chin-chin. I know what I'm saying. It was so yummy. So don't forget to check the recipe and ingredients measurements in the description. Okay, thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely holiday. Bye.